Maasai Mara. Uyu ni mucii kirorerwa na ukoragwo na ngumo nene thiini wa bururi o hamwe na nja wa bururi. Kuona mucii uyu uri mwena wa ukabini, agendi matungagwo na gucanjamurwo na unduire wa ruriri rwa ukabi. Uthaka wa nyamu cia githaka, riera ihoreru, ukengu na riri wa mwanya wa runyanjara ruru nicio ciambatiritie runyanjara ruru kirathi na rugakurikana thi yothe ta mucii kirorerwa wa kiimerera.
A World Heritage Site is recognition that the site is one of the best places on the planet, the best of the best. A place that's so important that it matters not just to Kenyans, not just to East Africans, but to people all over the world. Whether you're from Europe or Africa or the United States or Asia, World Heritage Sites are recognized as outstanding, exceptional sites, you know, the best places on earth.
Thabari ya kwamurwo na kuingiria runyanjara ruru ikiro-ini ici yambiriirio kahinda na riu ruhonge rwa UNESCO rutanyite gwikira mukonde na kuhura muhuri riendekithia riri gugikinyiria mwaka wa 2022 o hamwe na gwikira ihiga ria munara.
This site will position itself as an area which will be known internationally for tourist attraction. And I'm sure when this site is recognized by UNESCO, the numbers will jump from the 250, we will be talking of 500,000 in a year. And when that happens, it means it will accrue benefits.
And then the process of review by UNESCO and IUCN takes about a year and a half. So we are still a little bit of time away from potentially inscribing this site, but hopefully by 2022 in the summer, June, July, the site can be inscribed.
Governor wa Narok Samuel Ole Tunai ni ahimbiirie ikinya riri akiranira ati thirikari yake ni kunyitanira na UNESCO gukinyaniria ikinya riri.
I want to assure this forum that the county government is committed to putting up some money to ensure that this process is complete in the shortest time possible. But I want to assure everybody that we will give our utmost to ensure that this nomination process is fast-tracked and is given all the necessary support it needs.
Mange mucii uyu wa Mara wikuranire namo ni thama ya magegania ya nyamu cia githaka iria igucagiriria makiri ma agendi kwiyonera nyamu ici cikiringa ruwi kuingira runyanjara-ini rwa Serengeti bururi-ini wa Tanzania ciumite guku bururi-ini ona kana cigicoka bururi-ini ciumite Tanzania. Kungi gukuranitwo ta ciirorera cia unduire thiini wa thi guku bururi-ini ni Fort Jesus mwena wa Mombatha na runyanjara rwa nyamu rwa Lake Turkana. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Winnie Kimani.